welcome back to Enable Web Design. In this video, I will show you to create multiple thumbnails using VidIQ. Build thumbnail for each. Then now here you can see I have these three titles to generate different thumbnails. Then simply go and click on Create button. So now on the top right corner here you can see this one. Working is in progress. Now let's go back. And here we can use ChatGPT to create prompt. And now here you can see ChatGPT has created this prompt. Now we can go back and let's add this prompt in VidIQ. Then click on Create button. Now again it has started working. Now here you can see this one is the final result, and you can compare this with old one. So I think this one is looking more professional.